My name is Ahmed Tayeh. I'm the Regional Partner Sales Manager at Cloudera. I oversee the alliances and channel across Middle East, Turkey, and Africa.
What is your outlook on the cybersecurity landscape in this region?
Well, data is increasing tenfold, right? If you look at enterprises today, 80% of the data is semi-structured and unstructured, and 20% is becoming structured. Obviously, with the rise of AI, with the fact that today enterprises have mastered hyper-automation, cybersecurity will continue to lead the agenda of CEOs, CIOs, CSOs, and today customers will need to always improve their security posture because the possibility of attacks is always on the high, and customers need to maintain preventive and defensive measures because all it takes is one breach, all it takes is one attack.
What is your go-to-market strategy?
We as a company, Cloudera is a data platform company, and we help enterprises leverage AI and data to take back control and build data and AI-driven applications. Our platform is quite progressive. We have evolved quite a way. We have come a long way by working with all types of customers to build AI-centric and data-driven centric applications. What we have done is that over the last 3 years, now that we are privately owned, we have revamped our entire alliances and channel program. So that allowed partners to enroll and become specialized by building use cases that run on top of our platform. Our go-to-market is multifold, so we have partners that can resell Cloudera and take us to places where they are incumbent across the regions that they are active and they operate. So that makes it kind of a one-tier transaction. Our second market model or go-to-market model from a channel perspective is a two-tier. So we have the distributor that works with a partner ecosystem that help us transact in a two-tier fashion. Some of the distributors that we work with have been very instrumental in doing channel development in areas that we don't have direct footprint in. Historically, Cloudera has been a mix of one tier, two tier. If you look at a market like Saudi, it's 100% one tier. 60% of it is, let's say, two tier. We have been improving in that space, whereas GCC is also a double digit, more than 50% is two tier. But overall, 90% of our business across Meta has more than 85 to 90% attach rate.
What criteria do you consider when selecting new partners?
Great question. I mean, we look at specialization. We look at, how old the partner has been in the region, route to market, their house accounts, their diamond accounts. Obviously, we do not have aspirations to become as big as an Oracle or some of the big renowned vendors, but we definitely punch above our weight. And typically, when we look at partners, we look at two things: ability, how quickly they can take us to their install, or if they have a data and AI practice with other technologies and they are able to build use cases that differentiate them from the others and leverage their expertise on data and AI and agentic AI that they can leverage and build on top of our platform. So that's a very core area for us when it comes, especially in due diligence and vetting, because this space is crowded. What makes us so unique in comparison to the others is that because we're open source and partners can build applications on top of our platform, it becomes a serious services revenue generator for them, right? And we always tell our private or publicly traded partners that if you're looking at the next level of growth, sustainable growth to your investors, whether you are privately or publicly listed, Cloudera is the technology enabler of choice.
How do you enable your partners and align them with your technology?
Well, we've come a long way, right? Both from a product standpoint, our platform, we're always innovating. We're always pushing the envelope on innovating. And I think we've become the only company that's there worldwide that have made the hybrid story a reality. And we have made it a lot more easier for partners and customers to do more with less, right? So if you look at AI, we help customers and partners realize the value of enterprise and agentic AI without having to invent anything, right? So low code, no code possibilities have become a reality within our platform. One of the things that we've also innovated and we've been able to do with relative ease is within our partner program, we've invested a lot of time, money, and resources at $0 cost to help any partner, regardless of their tier, train their data practitioner, whether you are in sales, pre-sales, or delivery, to enroll into these accreditation programs and training programs to help you establish foundational knowledge. One of the things that we do is that we've made this free, available on our partner portal. Once you've enrolled, you've gotten access to it. And we have a little army within our pre-sales community and our partner pre-sales community and our delivery community to maintain and update it. Some of our new hires go through the same training. And we've started to see the benefits of it because partners don't have to pay a single dime. They're immediately able to see the benefits and become loyal to us. So that's a big value add that we had seen over the last 2-3 years. And I don't think partners have to worry about onboarding Cloudera because we've taken that headache away from them, from a sales positioning, from delivery, etc.
What message do you have for your existing and prospective partners?
The space is becoming extremely, I think we've just scratched the surface. The future is an always switched on economy. We're always looking for partners that have industry or use case or application specific expertise to work with our platform, to build use cases and applications on our platform. We've got a great partner program with a lot of rebates, with a lot of benefits, like rebates and marketing development funds. We want to work with partners that can innovate and drive value to your customers. Data is here to stay, AI is here to stay. In order for AI to get the right contextual questions and to provide the right contextual answers, it's all underpinned by different architectures that Cloudera powers up, and data is the nucleus and the blood flow of it all. So plenty and a lot of ample of opportunity for new partners that want to innovate and drive value with their customers. And for our existing partners, we can always go up. As our company says, one platform, control of your data, limitless possibilities, and we cascade the same thing to our partner ecosystem.